Dr. Ruchir, what mistakes should we avoid during NEET SS preparation?
So the first common mistakes which students make is that there is lack of a study plan, or even if you have a study plan, there is a lack of clarity about it. So there is a lot of confusion, procrastination, and delays and haywire reading. So start with making a schedule, that is, for example, divide your daily routine into parts of 3, that is 3 hour, 3 hour, 3 hour if you are reading for 9 hours. Again, divide that one small study session into 1 hour each. So that is how you will do in a day, and like that make for the whole month by dividing into small parts of 3. So I follow the rule of 3. So the second most common mistakes which students make is that there is lack of MCQ solving practice. You need to hardwire your brain to solve those MCQs and think in the MCQ oriented fashion. So make sure you practice daily minimum of 50 to maximum of 150 questions in a day, be it test mode or practice mode, but make sure that you practice MCQs daily. Most common mistakes which students make is lack of mock exam practice. So don't avoid or don't run away from mock exams, even if you think that if you score less you'll get demotivated. But the goal of mock exam is to understand where you are lacking or what is your weaknesses. So you need to give the mock exams, understand if you are not performing well, and take confidence if you're performing well. So both aspects needs to be balanced, that don't get very overconfident and don't get demotivated. Understand your strengths and weaknesses and work upon them. And the last mistake which I feel that students commonly make is lack of revision. You will complete the course, but you will not do the revision thinking that okay, I'm set and done. But the importance of revision will come into hand when you are confused between two options, or when you have read a topic long ago but you're not able to rule out of two options. That is where your revision will help you and make you avoid doing the mistakes in that questions. Because understand that certain questions will be straightforward, certain questions will depend on your revision and your recall. So make sure you do revision. Once is minimum, thrice is must according to me.